What's going on YouTube, and welcome back to the Zafira challenge. So if you've seen the last video, you know that the inside of this car was absolutely horrendous. We've hoovered all that out. Been driving the car for about a week now, and now it's time for the details. So this morning I took it up to the unit, washed it. So I just need to clay bar and polish it. I'll show you around the car some of the issues that we've got, but I reckon I could sell this car right now as it is easily for £600. So from 200 to 600 just from cleaning all of the mess and everything out of it. But now we need to take that the next step. So let's get it. So we've got a ton of scuffs, scratches, marks, dings, dents. Obviously the car was not very well looked after at all. So today's challenge is going to be how much we can tidy these up. I mean, it is absolutely battered on every corner. So I'm going to order some wheel trims. Need to still paint the bonnet. Need to cut the headlights because they're hazy. Need to polish the trim. Absolute loads to do. As I say, at the moment we bought it for 200. We're now sitting on at least 600 quid for this car. So let's get to it. So we've got a brand new clay bar. Time for clay. No, I'm not a professional detailer, and obviously there are bits that are going to need a little bit of touch-up paint. But we can obviously, if you came to view the car for a 2008 car, and it's only going to be cheap, two grand, you can see that that paint's starting to look really good, and that's just a cut. That's not a polish, so obviously it will get polished as well. Down the bottom still got to be done, so you can see it's still got grease up. Still got scratches and a bit of tar, so I need to get some tar remover on that. But the paint up top There was a big scratch, probably still there. Can't really see it, it's a bit of dust. But there was a big scratch right across that panel, and you can't really see it now. So, gonna crack on now with this one, and then we'll catch up. This has got quite a few bad scratches in this panel, so let's get to work.
Take a moment right here, feeling like it's out gear, driving towards the sun with a rose and a gun. Feel the wind in my hair, going nowhere I swear, like an outlaw on the run. Dangerous but it's so fun, running, running, no. Hold on, don't let go. Running, running, no. Keep running.
So there we have it. It took about 6 hours. We've polished up the paint, definitely added value to the car. It's got to be worth at least £1,000 now at this point. Sort the bonnet out, we're going to paint that, sort the headlights out. I've ordered some new wheel trims, so we'll whack them on, and Zafira is good to go. So join me for the next video on the Zafira. I'm going to be dropping an A8 video this week at some point, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace out. Thank you.